So this weekend is going to be another busy weekend here at Zach's workshop. We have Cannibal going for its second run. So actually this will be its third, believe it or not. So we've done a little bit of work. We changed some struts in it. We've lowered the front end down a bit. I've changed out a computer. I've tried to fix the radiator, but as you can tell by all the water, I didn't really do a good job. So don't tell people about that. We just cleaned up some little things that went wrong with it. There was not a whole big list. But Cannibal is ready for round number 2, 3. I did get some really cool stickers, some decals, and they're by this gentleman right here. Now, I did not pay for the stickers, the decals. He messaged me and sent them to me for free. I don't know if that's focusing. But anyway, he sent me some decals. So he's got Mom's Motorsports, he's got Zach's Workshop, and my number. But I'm not going to put these on a car yet. I did put some of the decals he sent me on a car. But I'm pretty happy. They're nice decals. I told him, he messaged me and said that he wants to make me decals. He said, do I have any preferences? I was like, do anything you want. So I'll explain more about these decals in a bit. But Cassandra's Buick is done. I know you guys are just starting to watch this build series. I'm actually doubling up on my videos just to try to get them up before this thing is smashed. But as of right now, the Buick is going to run on Sunday, which is the day that this video is hopefully going to go up. I'm even uploading videos on Saturday, Sunday, because I just want to get this stuff up there so you guys can see it. Because I need to keep... when I film a derby, I have to get the videos up pretty fast, and then I also have to get the build videos up, and it's a lot of stuff that I need to upload, and I want to just try to keep the one video a day. I think if I just put 10 videos up in one day, you guys are not going to be able to watch all of them and stay up. So that's why I do what I do. But this car is ready to go. I got the perfect headers on it. I put paint on them. Yes, this paint is not high temp heat paint. It's going to burn off pretty quickly, and I'm okay with that. We've dug out Cassandra's helmet. Look at the dust. Look at that dust on that helmet. So it's been a while since she's been in the ring. She's excited. I think everything's going to go good. I don't know a lot about W bodies. I've prepared this thing as best as I can. I have dimpled the back. I seat belted it. I put some 9-wire. I got a good cage into it. I got headers. I got different motor mounts. If they let me run them, that's a different story. I got threaded rod. I moved the wiring. I haven't done anything with the security system. A lot of you guys have been commenting on it. But honestly, I have never had an issue. So I'm just kind of hoping and praying that everything stays good on that. I got my aftermarket shifter that is designed for W bodies. Thank you, Joshua Archibald. And so the car is pretty much done, ready to go. I do have 14-inch rims on it. I do have a early 80s Chevy Nova bumper on the front of it, so everything's going good. I'm really excited to smash this car. Actually, to be honest, I'm not the one smashing it, but I'm really excited to see it go. And I know that you guys are too, because it's not a Camry, and you guys are getting sick and tired of Camrys. And then let me show you guys the car I'm running and beating. No build videos have been up of this one, because I just haven't even had any time. So here is the Camry I'm going to be driving and beating. This thing is rotted. It is unbelievably rotted. This is probably the second worst rotted Camry I have. As you guys see, some pretty big holes. That one's not even that bad a hole. Check out this side. Oh, that's a foot hole. But Cassandra has done some spray paint work to it. I like it. And then again, this gentleman has sent me some decals. Real men keep their sticks up, nut up, or shut up. I'll make you break it, Smurf you, and here is his design right here. Again, I did not pay for these decals. He sent me these decals for free, so this is kind of a sponsored video by him, I guess. There's really nothing special about this Camry. The cage in it is horrible. I built it just to pass the rules. Look at that. Look at the size of that spider. You're gonna have one heck of a ride coming up, buddy. Should I poke him? I'm gonna poke him. Where is he? Can't see him. There he is. Ready? Hello. Oh, he's gone. Oh, where'd he go? Anyway, spider. Oh, so yeah, we got some decals put on this car. Pretty happy. Mud life. Run your car, not your mouth. I even have a live, laugh, love. I don't know why, but he sent it in the pile, so I put it on. Never Too Old, the Derby. You got the Browning stickers. So this one's fully decaled up. She's tied down. You got to do a little bit of welding left to it. I got to put these plates on the top to help hold the bumper on. This shows pretty stock, so I'm not allowed to do a whole heck of a lot. That's why there's no threaded rod in the front or the back or anything like that. Just seat belts and duct tape, and then it's got, the cage has to be a C around you, and then your fuel light's got to have a light on it, so when it's on, the light comes on. That's their only real rules there, and no double tires. So we'll see how this thing goes. I'm pretty excited. Beaton is a derby that I really enjoy going to. It was actually my first demolition derby when I was 17 years old, and then I kind of didn't do derbies for quite a bit after that. But Beaton is a pretty special town to me. That's where my grandfather's from, my mother's from. I'll have all the Brampton videos up with Cannibal, and I'll have the Beaton videos up as fast as possible in the next week or so. So bear with me, guys. Lots of driving. Camrys and W bodies going to be wrecked this weekend. So make sure you come back tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow.